about negotiating. Who said anything?
Negotiate with terrorists. If America doesn't negotiate, United States.
Gates of hell just opened. More than that, sir. We're talking about a hell of a lot.
Of the United States of the President talking about the safety.
Abort!
We're talking.
Abort!
Best hope you've got. I'm the... With all due respect. Can we trust him? 28 are left. Nando's breached the gate. 40 command
forces. He is ex-special
detail. Removed from the president's team. The same guy that was...
Jesus, Banning?
B09er.
Identify yourself.
The White House. A contact from inside. We have...
Oh, my God.
Commander-in-Chief will execute your command building. Now we'll attempt to retake them.
French. In that Chinese, the British, and speak for the Russians. The
President, you are the acting Mr. Speaker.
This is fallen. Olympus is...
Now! Give me the Pentagon on the line.
Move. Intrusion. Let's go. Sir, there's...
Welcome to the White House, sir.
Arrived.
I'd like to...
Our guests have arrived.
President, we're ready for you.
Back into the real world. You gotta learn how to get those. You keeping the president and everything on that bridge. Everybody knows you did the right.
Where'd that come from?
Package. Stop bringing out the